You can tell the sun is starting to set, and we've got the K10 outside. We're going to play with these lights while it's getting dark. I do have turn signals. Look at there. We got the signals are working. And we've got backup lights, reverse lights. Awesome, awesome. We're going to link this thing to the app, and we're going to play with the lights. So here we are. We're getting ready to turn on some lights. We're going to turn on the auxiliary lights first, I think. Oh yeah. Turn on the rock bar lights right there. Goes on high. Put the headlights on low. Look at there. And then they're on bright. Heck yeah. See what it says. Oh, it's just sweet. There's the turn signal. Oh yeah. And down the hill. That's so awesome. Yes, it is. That is totally cool. As it's starting to get darkened up out here. Oh yeah, there's that brush guard. Oh yeah. Looks like I'm going to have to turn on my undercarriage light. So I'll do that so I can have a better sight up under it. We'll bring it back around to me. Uh-oh. Yep. See, I didn't see that. So I done run up on it. Sit right there, darling. Now you can see what's underneath that truck. Now that, I wired that in myself through a little push button switch along with the front bar lights. You might be able to see those on camera, but that little ground effect light, it definitely helps it. This ought to lock the diffs on this thing. Climb up on that thing. Uh-oh. There we go. Looky there. Little nighttime crawling with the K10, all lit up. Got the RC play park here. Larry's RC room. Oh yeah. It's a crawling. Look at that. A trail rig, it's a crawler. Whatever you want to make it. One thing I do have to comment on is Traxxas really did a good thing by coming out with this platform all built up. I just wish they would have thought about all the lights for it before they set it into motion. I mean, they done the 21 Bronco kit. They done a really good job. It's one of the simplest lights and light kits that you could ever want to put in an RC truck. But for some reason they didn't follow suit with this K10. But that's alright. We've got them working. We got the module, we got the Bluetooth module for it. It's working. You can see the water there on that rock. We've had a little bit more rain today. So yeah, that's one reason why I was inside doing video earlier. This is January the 1st, 2023. And I want to wish everybody a wonderful, blessed, fantastic new year. It's going to be awesome. I've got a bunch of toys to play with. I am not going to let them go to waste. I'm going to run them and run them and run them. Oh, I love it. Let's see what this K10 will do coming down this. Oh, yeah. Nice settling in there, K10. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That was pretty. That was pretty. That front bumper bar, all that stuff, makes a difference. Every ounce and gram of weight that you put in one of these makes a difference. Oh yeah, we made it. We made it. Nice, nice. We can make it up this dog bridge here. Doggone bridge. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's my line at? Little hop right there. Yes, a little hop right there. Coming on into the big bridge area. I am running Canyon Trails by Traxxas, but I've got some axial beadlock wheels under that I put weights in. It makes a big difference. Yes, climbing on out of it. Man, that's awesome. That is sweet. Nice rig. It really runs nice. It's smooth. Got good power for Traxxas stock. All electronics. And I think it's just really a capable rig with a few mods. I do like this K10 truck. 2023, gonna be awesome. I suspect there's gonna be a lot of new models of RCs out this year. So we'll find them. We'll see what they've got. See what happens. Oh yeah, coming across this little feature. That K10 says, shut up, quit talking, drive more. Hey, y'all have fun with it, okay? 2023 is coming on big time. We're gonna just have us a ball with it. We really, really are. Out here in the dark with the K10, all lit up. It's working good, looking good. I'm happy with it. Finally happy with it. Let's go RCing. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. And leave me a comment, and I'll try to reply back as soon as I can. We're gonna go out here and play some more. This K10 and work out.